Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is the top programming languages for the web development. This video is for who are passionate about the programming languages and who are very enthusiastic about the web development. This video is for you. Okay, so coming to the point, these are the contents in my video. First one is the introduction about them, and then before knowing about the top programming languages list, let us know about web development. What is web development? So some of the people may don't know even what is web development. Some of people know very well about the web development, and then I will conclude it by the some main points what are I covered in this particular video. Okay, before going to the main point, here I come with a small introduction and a brief description about what is the ratings, what is the programming languages list. So I will tell you. Coming to the point, every year the ratings were given to the programming languages depending upon their usage and also the demand of them in the various real-time projects. Like so many organizations and analyst firms, IEEE Spectrum also produces a list of the top programming languages in the 2020 based on the leveraging 11 metrics from no less than the 8 resources which are frequently available to us, which includes the Twitter, Stack Overflow and more things. The list provided by the IEEE Spectrum is a unique list and it breaks down the languages by use case, allowing to see which languages are most popular for the web, mobile and the embedded development. Not only for them, it is also depends upon the Android development also. With all in that mind, it's worth looking the ratings given by the IEEE Spectrum for us to learn about the more programming languages, what are their crucial role in the present software development technologies. And coming to the point, before going to the ratings of these programming languages, let us know about a web development. This web development is a process of involve which creates a website for the internet or intranet. You may familiar with those websites, for examples Google, Yahoo, YouTube, etc. And the remaining websites are also, LinkedIn, Facebook, Naukri, like these are also websites. So who are passionate about the web development or who are passionate in the creation of the websites for the people or else for yourself, this video is for you. So in this video, I will tell you which is the most demanding language for you, which will ultimately helpful in the web development creation. The next topic I covered in this particular video is the top programming languages list. Here I prepared a chart of the different programming languages which are available in this market based on the IEEE score. By observing the chart, you can observe that the Python plays an important crucial role in this particular chart. It occupies the first place with having a 100% weightage in the top programming languages list, and the remaining 3 portions are occupied by the Java and the JavaScript. Maybe you are not familiar with all these languages, but some of the languages you may know like C, C++, HTML, Scala, like that you may know. But now I concluded that if you are passionate about the web development or else if you are passionate about mobile development or as well as embedded systems development or else in the inclusion of the Android app development, it is the best suitable for you to learn the Python with all its features available in the market. Here I concluded that by the reports of the IEEE Spectrum, the Python is the most demanding language in the recent era of the software development. It occupies a 100% weightage among the remaining 52 languages which are available in the present. So this is my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.